Hello, I am Jiwar Kanjo, a lawyer and a member in the Kurdish Lawyers Union. The Kurdish Lawyers Union is an independent, non-governmental legal entity that includes more than 60 experienced male and female lawyers that have come together from various countries in order to establish a legal, unified framework to defend the Kurdish people's right and document violations committed against them, and to bring their voice to international platforms. The union was founded as a response to the serious and systematic violation committed against the Kurdish people, particularly in Western Kurdistan, and especially the following Turkish occupation of a Kurdish region since 2018. This initiative emerged out of an urgent need to unify Kurdish legal efforts to face the existential threats aimed to erase Kurdish identity and to deny the Kurdish people rights of self-determination. The union's main objective is to protect Kurdish people's right from an international perspective and internationalize the Kurdish case, document violations, support victims, and advocate for a fair political solution that guarantees Kurdish people's right, according to the UN Charter and International Human Rights Convention. Our next step is to officially register the union in Germany, with taking the city of Bonn as its main headquarters, and to submit legal documented reports and cooperate with international institutes. Of course, organizing conferences and legal workshops and provide support to the Kurdish community, establishing of a specialized legal library and archiving of all the materials related to the Kurdish case, and finally documented all the violence committed against the Kurdish people in order to prosecute their perpetrators in front of the international judicial bodies.